Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Nominal Investor and we just hit the 1,000 mark on my portfolio. So this had to do with NIO. I actually did buy a lot of stocks. Well, to me it felt like a lot. I bought about like 16 shares, so I went from 46 to 62. It was around there. Like I bought an extra one on top of that just to get me at an even number, because I think I had 61 and then now it's 62. But yeah, I'm sitting at $72 as a gain right now. It's 10%. Guys, let me know what you guys think about NIO stock. I actually make videos and I cover this stock a lot on my channel, so definitely subscribe if you guys want more bullish content on NIO. I'm down to $1 in buying power. That's because I used about almost $200 to invest into the stock. I also bought some more on Webull, so I bought 8 more shares, so I invested another $90 easily into the Webull, my Webull portfolio. So now I'm at least 10 other shares in other brokerages, so you can add 10 plus 62. My total amount of shares for NIO right now currently is 72 shares, give or take one, I guess you could say. But this stock is great, guys. I actually think that there's potential here for the long term, so it's here to stay. A lot of people just don't believe in it because it is a Chinese company, and there's that stigma of the trade war happening between the US and China. That's one thing that's pulling it down. That's one thing that's holding it back from reaching that level that Nikola has reached without having any sales. What's crazy, and a lot of people have mentioned this, is that Nikola, they don't have any sales, but they are, it's worth anywhere between $40 to $50 per share, and they just started out like literally just recently. So there's just a lot of hype with that. There's gonna be a correction, I know, because a lot of these EV companies, they don't start getting profits until later on, until they start actually scaling up in an efficient way. So I can see NIO actually scaling up in the future. So right now they're focused on getting at least 4,000 vehicles to be produced per month. That is what they're doing in the margins right now. That's what the CEO has said, or the founder. But I think that they're gonna increase that. I think they're gonna be producing more than that, and we hope that it can be about 5,000 to 6,000 per month, so that people are I guess, so per quarter they're selling about 15,000, which was where Tesla was a couple years ago. Just a few years ago, literally in 2015, it was around 15 to 20,000 vehicles delivered per quarter. So now obviously now they're at way higher amounts. Right now Tesla's doing 90,000 vehicles delivered per quarter, which is insane. And right now they're on their 4th quarter where they have a profit. So yeah, I hope NIO can get up there. Once they start getting above the 20k mark in terms of like delivery sales, I think NIO can become profitable. I think they will go, I don't think that it's going to be a lot of profit. I think it's going to be very close to breaking even, but I think around there for that quarter, I think it'll be good. It'll be good enough. I feel like at 20,000 or more, it'll be good enough for them to start breaking even. So yeah, that's definitely what's going to be happening. Let's look at the EC6. Guys, I promised you guys I was going to make a video tonight on the EC6 being released and information about this. So now we have this vehicle right here. This is from the NIO website, NIO.com. This was posted a day ago. So right now, if you're watching this video, it's July 25th. Right now it's a day after. We have right here, this is basically what it looks like. As I've said before, is a very luxurious, this is a luxury SUV. So very nice, like kind of like think about like a Mercedes SUV, basically, like that, like maybe like a car like that. So, or a BMW, one of the SUV types these are like luxury vehicles basically. So that's what they're going for. They're also going to compete with the Model Y, and so I heard it's also cheaper. So let's look at the actual specs of these vehicles. So it's priced at RMB 368,000 with NEDC range up to 615 kilometers. Now it says stylish and sporty coupe design with a drag coefficient as low as 0.26. I don't know what that means. I don't know much about cars, but it sounds good to me. Haptics and fabric splicing seats with new Himalaya brown theme. Like I said, luxurious. That's luxury right there. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.5 seconds. So 0 to 60 in 4.5. That's not bad at all. So it's sporting a 100 kilowatt hour battery pack. So guys, this is gonna be a car that they're gonna push out as much as they can. They're gonna be promoting this in China. I know they will. Now NIO, it says that they're a pioneer in China's premium electric vehicle market. So they launched this vehicle yesterday during the 2020 Chengdu Auto Show. And the coupe style smart electric SUV starts at a pre-subsidy price of RMB 368 and is now available for public pre-order via the NIO app. So whenever you order a car from the NIO app, they start production on the vehicle immediately. So these cars are as soon as you order, it's kind of like you buy something from teespring.com, the website where they sell t-shirts and merch, stuff like that, for YouTubers, for content creators, influencers, whatever. You they only ship out or make the t-shirt once someone orders it. So it's not like they make 10,000 vehicles and then they sell them. Like, no, it's made to order. So like as soon as like someone orders 5 vehicles, they gotta make 5 vehicles, they gotta produce them. Obviously they're constantly in production, so they only send them out or produce them when they know that orders are coming in. I guess that's to reduce any expenses or anything like that. So the cars aren't sitting around, like basically collecting dust. The EC6 is available in 3 trim levels: the Sport Edition, Performance Edition, and the Signature Edition, all with the 70 kilowatt hour battery pack included at pre-subsidy price of RMB 368,000, RMB 408, and RMB 468,000 respectively. So I guess obviously they mentioned these in order. So the Signature's got to be the more expensive one at 468,000 RMB, and the other one, the Performance Edition, which is a little bit more expensive than the entry level one, is 408,000. And then the Sport Edition, which I'm guessing is the lower tier version of this, in terms of trim levels, this one's going to be 368,000. It's going to be the basic package right there. So the new model continues the NIO family design language with a stylish and sporty coupe style body, and the EC6 boasts of an excellent lightweight design and drag coefficient of only 0.26. So we mentioned that. I don't know what that means again. The EC6 panoramic moonroof maximizes natural light in the cabin. The laminated glass insulates about 83% of heat, 99% of UV rays. So if you're standing, below that moonroof, you're basically not going to be affected by any UV rays. So your skin is going to be perfectly safe from that. So that's good, I guess. And there's a bunch of more information. They go in great detail with that. So they already mentioned the price. Now, you guys, what are you guys gonna do with this? Are you guys gonna invest into this company now that they have another option another option for people to purchase these vehicles? As you guys can see, they have the EC6, EZ8, and then the EC6. So I'm guessing eventually, maybe next year or the years to come, they might release a EC8, which is a coupe SUV, but a lot more expensive, like more high end than this one. Just like there's a ES8 and ES6, there should be a EC6 and EC8. Let's see. I have I'm pulling up this TradingView post right here, and then someone's being very bearish. So they're saying that this company could go back down to the $5-6 range. Just looking at basically the way the chart is heading and everything, we're looking at the gaps between the $7.99 and $9.40. So you see how there's a gap right here. They're basically showing that, and how it was trending upwards, but now it looks like it's going to come down. But this person is saying that this is in the near future. So the NIO is being very bearish in the very near future. So this is not something like long term, like this is temporal. This is obviously gonna change when they do report on the deliveries for July, and also when they talk about the Q2 results, and they talk about 10K, 10Q reports, all that information, anything to do with financials for Q2 of this year, then that's gonna bring up the price of the stock. I know, especially if it's good, if it's good compared to last year's, which it is going to be, because they're already they're crushing it this year. NIO's been crushing it in their quarter deliveries compared to last year. In 2019 they had nothing, but now they have a lot, so per quarter. So that's going to definitely bring up their value, because people are going to be more excited about the future of this company and what where it's headed, especially as they keep increasing their momentum and deliveries and everything. The more deliveries they have, the more the vehicles they have to produce and everything. So that will just, it's basically like a cycle, never ending cycle. So it looks like now I have 70% of my portfolio just in NIO. So I'm being very bullish, giving you guys this content. But yeah, man, you guys have been amazing, just always commenting and And also, like, I see every single comment you guys leave. I try to respond to everyone because I feel like I should be engaging as a creator. I should be engaging with you guys because it's you guys are the reason why I'm even growing this fast. And I'm grateful to all of you, so thank you. And I'm grateful to God too. I thank Jesus for everything. I thank you guys as well, but definitely grateful to God. But yeah, the support has been amazing. If you guys want me to talk about anything other than finances and investing here on my channel, let me know by commenting. And if enough people let me know that I should do something else or talk about something on a different video, then I will definitely do that for you guys. And that's how I'll know like what you guys want me to post and everything, just by giving me those suggestions through the comments. But yeah, very grateful to you guys and grateful to God. Also, there's a bunch of links in the description, guys. Check them out. One link, it will be for Webull. You guys will get 2 free stocks. One is if you just sign up and get approved. The second free stock is a bonus stock that you get once you deposit at least $100 within 100 days of being approved, using my link. And then the second link is Robinhood, and you get a free stock just for signing up and getting approved. And there's also like Acorns and Moomoo, the Moomoo trading app. You guys can get a stock there, and with Acorns you get $5 for free. So but you get to invest into ETFs and index funds, whatever, all that stuff. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. I just wanted to update you guys on the EC6 and how much I have invested so far into NIO, and just updating you guys on the price and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.